The Ulefone Armor 25T Pro is without a doubt one of the most unique rugged devices of 2024. The device is perhaps the only rugged phone to feature both a night vision camera and a thermal imaging camera, and this device is currently available for a very affordable price. If you wish to get the Armor 25T Pro for a very cheap price, then make sure to use the links in the video description. Anyway, let's explore its top features. So the phone has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display, and the display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is impressive. At the back of the phone is a camera module that contains dual cameras, a thermal imaging camera, IR lights, and dual flash. The camera consists of a 50MP primary sensor, a 64MP night vision camera, and a thermal imaging camera. The front-facing camera of the device is 32MP, which is just perfect for selfies and video calls. And as regarding the main camera, the device is said to be able to record up to 2K videos at 30fps. The phone is powered by the Dimensity 6300, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Having a thickness of just 12.5mm and a weight of just 326 grams, the device is also among the thinnest and lightest rugged phones available in the market. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69K, meaning it is water and dust resistant. It is also resistant to high pressure water jets. It is also military grade standard A10H certified. The phone packs a moderate 6500 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 33 watts wireless charging. The phone also supports reverse wireless charging. The phone ships with the Android 14, and it has additional features including a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. It has a customizable key, an IR blaster, which means you could use this device to control different appliances and electronics in your home like your TV or your AC. The device also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. It supports GPS. It has a 3-card slot, which means you can use both 2 SIM cards and an SD card at the same time with this device. It supports NFC, and it also supports FM radio. So these are just the top features of the Armor 25T Pro. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.